Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on complex numbers. In this video, it just says compute the following. It is complex numbers. A complex number is a number that is made of a real part and an imaginary part. An imaginary part is a number that has I multiplied to it. I is, of course, the square root of -1, and I squared is -1. It's good to just remember those two things. If you have those written down, it is much simpler moving forward in problems. In these, we're multiplying two complex numbers. And when you multiply complex numbers, I use the distributive property with stacking. I like to stack my like terms. If you've been around my videos at all, you know I'm a big advocate for stacking like terms. Having a long line of terms, it's hard to know which terms to combine because sometimes you get a lot of terms. But if you just stack right away, it's simple, easy peasy to combine. All right, 11 times -14 is -154. 11 times 2i is plus 22i. 17 I times -14 is -238i. And 17 times 2i is plus 34i squared. Now, when I bring this below the line, I'm going to do this conversion. So I'm going to say -154. There are more negatives, so minus 216i. Plus 34 times -1, because I know I squared is -1. So this is really, I'm just going to bring this down over here as a minus 34, because that's what this is. And I'm going to get -188 minus 216i. And I have my answer. Mix, repeat. Distributive property. 144 minus 84i plus 84i minus 49i squared. This right here is, these are complex conjugates, and it's what we use when there's an imaginary part in the denominator of a fraction. It's also when you have a polynomial with an imaginary zero, they always come in conjugate pairs, and these would be the pairs. And this is why when you multiply them together, the imaginary part gets canceled. And you always end up with just a number. So that's why the complex zeros always come in the conjugate pairs, because the imaginary parts will cancel out. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.